Hello, Clearbra, North Dallas. 63 Chevy C10, full restoration from the ground up. There is nothing on this thing that is a used part or a previous part. Apparently this paint job, I mean, just looking at it, it's perfect. And what we did for the paint protection film was we just did the full front. We did all this area here across on this cowl, and then we did this visor up here, and we wrapped it around to the back so there's no line. And we did 6 inches up on the whole bottom, and inside it's themed after Star Wars. We did this where his arm, the owner's arm, would be, and then we did this as well, and everything's wrapped in and wrapped around. So let's take a look at what we got here. So here's the full hood, all in one piece. The front gets seamed right here where there's the line from manufacturing. So this is one piece, it gets seamed in, and the whole top is all one section, perfectly done, all pushed in here nicely. Everything just fit in great. No issues with any of this. These come out so we can wrap in here, and here's the seam. This is a imprint from stamping. And then up here, all this is in one piece. All this is one piece, fully rolled in. Up on this pan here, fully wrapped in like we showed over there, and behind this rail, fully wrapped in. Our fenders, we didn't remove this. This is a real expensive Resto. Probably costs more in most homes, but we did it in one piece, but we put the line under this molding and then trimmed around this. He didn't want this removed. Everything's wrapped in all the way to the bottom, all the way up underneath. So a lot of care was put into it. He wasn't interested in the full wrap. He just wanted to protect what he had. He's spent enough on this thing, and he's not going to drive it very much. This is Cerakoted, this front bumper. That's done with matte finish, the Stealth film by Xpel. And it's all one piece, fully wrapped around. Cerakote's a little weird to put the PPF on, but it goes on fine. And other than that, that is all the components we did. And the 6 inches back here on the bed fully wraps in 100%, so we can protect all this paint. And that's about it. So there's your 63 C10. Very impressive and perfect. And that's it. So if you got a custom vehicle, give us a call, clearbroadnorthdallas.com, 214-414-3809. I'm Brent, and be happy to help you. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Take care.